How to get Snapchat Plus. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can get the Snapchat Plus. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now keep in mind that Snapchat Plus is a new feature and a new special membership that is only available for premium users, and since they integrated this feature recently into the Snapchat app, you have to make sure to update the Snapchat app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your respective app stores, in the search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. Once you've updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. Next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account, and after you are logged in, you can see that this is how the interface is going to look like. Now keep in mind that you can also repeat the same process if you're on iOS. The process is technically the same. Once you've opened Snapchat, just tap on the Bitmoji profile on the top left corner of the screen. Now this is a normal Snapchat account, but if you want to upgrade to Snapchat Plus, again tap on the gear icon, which is the settings icon from the very top right hand corner. Once you tap on the gear icon and go to the settings page, over here you'll be able to see a bunch of various options. And right under email you can say Snapchat Plus. Now keep in mind that also Snapchat Plus may not be available in all regions, especially Asian regions as well. It could be available in the US and other parts of that area, but unfortunately in my region as well we do not have it available. But I have showed you where the option is. So if you want to subscribe to Snapchat Plus, you have to tap on it. You have to choose a type of subscription over here, which will basically give you multiple options depending with the price as well. And after that, you can go ahead and fill in your payment details in order to choose a subscription and subscribe to Snapchat Plus. And it is as simple as that. Once you find the option, it's very simple by following the instructions. Hopefully this video helped you as to how you can get Snapchat Plus. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching to the end, and see you soon in our next video.